Is the sun a ball of plasma or is it a ball of gas? So it's both. And that is because terms can be used differently in different fields. So, okay, we're all used to periodic table of elements, right? Now, on the periodic table of elements, there's hydrogen and there's helium. These are the two most abundant elements in the universe. And when you look at them, you take a look at their freezing and melting and boiling points and all of that. Basically, in their pure form, there are very, very few circumstances in which we will find them in a state other than gas. Now, because of this, many stellar astronomers refer to hydrogen and helium as gas. And everything else on this table is going to be a metal. Yes, that is not the way chemists talk about the term, but that is the way that stellar astronomers are going to talk about the term. Now, that also gets into, we can talk about ices later. So, by the way, the ice giants like Uranus and Neptune aren't made from solid ice. They're made from ices. So terms are used differently. So the sun is mostly hydrogen. It's got a bunch of helium and it's got a little sprinkling of these other, what we'd call metals. So it actually has a pretty high metallicity for a star, telling us more or less what age the star is, what relative age, what population it's from. But it is also in the state of matter of plasma. So plasma is like the next stage after gas. So you've got solid, add more energy to the solid, you get liquid. Add more energy to the liquid, you get gas. Add more to that gas, and you get plasma. Plasma is basically, it's ionized. It's when the atoms, the electrons basically get popped off, or at least the valence electrons, those outer electrons get popped off of the nucleus of the atom. So you end up with this big soup of charged particles. So that's what the sun is.